I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing.
He is the pride of Ifugao, Philippines. Here is the Wonder Boy, Carl James Martin.
Here is David El Rey Picasso.
Isang magandang laban na naman ang mapapanood ng mga Pinoy boxing fans, dahil muling magpapakita ng lakas ng kamao at galing sa pakikipaglaban ang pambato ng Ifugao na si Carl James Martin, isang undefeated knockout artist. May undefeated record na 28 wins, 21 knockout at wala pa itong bahid ng pagkatalo. Si Carl James Martin ay isang malakas, magaling at napakadelikadong boksingero sa kasalukuyan, dagdag pa dyan ay mabilis din ang mga kamay sumantok, magaling magbasa ng galawan ng kanyang kalaban, magaling mag-counter-attack, malakas din ang knockout power nito na kahit si Naoya Inoue, John Riel Casimero, at Nonito Donaire ay kaya ng kanyang lakas patumbahin at higit sa lahat isa siya sa pinakadisiplinadong boksingero ng bansang Pilipinas. Mas lalong nakikilala pa ang kanyang husay sa pakikipaglaban sa buong mundo. Dahil ngayon taon kasalukuyan ay siya na ang number 1 contender ng WBO Super Bantamweight Division, na pinaghaharian ni current undefeated and 4 World Division Champion Naoya the Monster Inoue. Ngayon taon kasalukuyan ay isang malaking hamon ang naghihintay sa kanya. Makakalaban niya ang isa sa pinakamalakas at mahusay na Mexican boxer na si Alan David Picasso na magaganap sa bansang Saudi Arabia, bilang isang bahagi ng undercard ng blockbuster fight ni Canelo Alvarez vs Christian Mabili. Nakatakdang hamunin ni Canelo Alvarez ang walang talong WBC Super Middleweight Champion na si Christian Mabili para sa kanyang titulo sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Ang blockbuster world title clash ay orihinal na nakatakda sa ika-12 ng Setyembre taong 2026. Ngunit ipinagpaliban sa huling bahagi ng Oktubre. Ngunit ganun pa man, si Alan Picasso ay isang dekalibreng boksingero, dahil meron itong 31 wins, 70 knockouts at may isang talo. Dagdag pa dyan ay isa rin siyang WBC Silver Super Bantamweight Champion. At ang tanging boksingerong nakatalo kay Alan Picasso ay itong halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Ngunit bago ang labanan Carl James Martin vs Alan Picasso ay atin munang balikan ang laban ni Carl James Martin kontra Anthony Jimenez Salas, kung saan ay sinakop ni Carl James Martin ang bansang Mexico dahil sa pagtalo niya ng kanilang pambato na si Anthony Jimenez Salas. Sa unang round pa lang ay kitang-kita na dito ang agwat ng kanilang taas, kitang-kita din dito na malakas ang loob ni Anthony Jimenez Salas dahil lumalaban siya sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayang Meksikano. Ang ating pambato naman ay pinag-aaralan pa lang ang mga galaw ng Meksikano. Sa mga susunod na round ay unti-unti nang nakakabisado ni Carl James Martin ang mga galawan ng kanyang kalaban at dito na rin unti-unting pumapasok na ang kanyang mga suntok sa depensa ni Anthony Jimenez Salas.
Good barrage there coming from Martin. A good body shot. Ayun, saktan si Salas, mga idol. Eto, another hook. Nasaktan siya doon. Another body.
Hanggang sa matamaan nito ng malinis na kombinasyon itong si Anthony Jimenez Salas, dahilan ng kanyang pagkatumba. Ngunit nakatayo pa ito, kitang-kita na apektado siya sa mga power punches combination ni Carl James Martin. Ngunit sa pagpapatuloy ng laban ay muli bumagsak si Anthony Jimenez Salas sa lakas ng suntok ni Martin. Nakita na ni Martin ang kahinaan ng kalaban kaya wala na siyang sinayang na pagkakataon. Pinaulanan niya itong si Anthony Jimenez Salas ng mga malalakas na suntok hanggang sa makita ng referee ang delikadong kalagayan ni Jimenez dahilan ng paghinto nito ng laban. Isang napaka-impresibong panalo by a technical knockout ang ginawa ni Carl James Martin sa mismong lugar ng kanyang kalaban ang bansang Mexico. Ang buong lakas ay kumpleto na, ang resulta ay puro positibo. The Japanese monster is coming back to Las Vegas, USA.
This is the greatest attraction in boxing.
Nandito ang pinakadelikadong kalaban ni Naoya Inoue, ang angas ng bansang Pilipinas ang pinakamalakas at former 3 World Division Champion John Riel Casimero. Dalawang malalakas na mandirigma sa taon kasalukuyan. Naoya Inoue vs John Riel Casimero. Ang isang magagaling na mandirigma ay may kanya-kanyang talento at lakas sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Ang pinakamalakas ng bansang Japan na si Naoya Inoue ay masusubukan, kontra sa lakas ng bansang Pilipinas na si John Riel Casimero. Pagkatapos manalo sa Super Series fight ay naghahanda na itong si Naoya Inoue para lumaban sa bansang Amerika. Ang training sa ilalim ng kanyang ama ay mas lalong naging bihasa sa pagigipaglaban si Naoya Inoue at mas lalo pa itong lumalakas ang mga suntok.
Train with him, I used to run with him. That guy, yeah, he knocks him out. He's a freak of nature, isn't he?
You gotta get up and go get it.
It's certainly a risky fight for the Japanese star, especially coming off an orbital injury. But with credit to his throwback style and willingness to face the best, a victory against the Filipino this year would see him put a serious dent in the pound-for-pound rankings.
And that is devastating once again from Naoya Inoue. I'm fearless.
Lahat ng laban ni Naoya Inoue ay tinuturing niyang napakadelikado, gusto niyang patunayan sa lahat na siya ang nag-iisang halimaw sa Super Bantamweight Division. Ngunit may gustong patunayan ang mandirigma ng bansang Pilipinas na isa rin siyang halimaw pagdating sa ibabaw ng boxing ring, tinuturing siyang isang napakadelikadong boksingero na may taglay na lakas ng kamao, siya ay si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero.
Casemiro is no joke. He's a real killer and he can punch and he's a ruthless, spiteful fighter.
Despite being nicknamed Cuadro Alas, which translates to 4 aces, Casimiro plans to leave nothing down to luck come fight night.
I'm very excited this fight and Inoue, see you and coming fight.
Continuing a 5-fight knockout streak and hoping to turn the new influx of fans from Inoue's fan-friendly style into his own,
Pinatunayan niya ang kanyang lakas noong nagharap sila ni Solane Titi, na tinapos niya lang sa ikatlong round.
Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the
Casimero is ready. Nobody can stop him. Nobody can beat him.
where many expected Donaire to be a pushover for Naoya, it drew a Fight of the Year tear.
They go toe-to-toe to the final bell.
And where many expected Tete to be too slick and too technical for John Riel, he simply blew him out of the water.
Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the feet.
Donaire rewound the clock to put in a career-best performance, and whilst it still wasn't enough to beat the monster, it offers his countrymen something to build on.
I planned how to knock him out.
The fight itself will invite a red-hot pace. Both men have spectacular footwork, with Casimiro's in-and-out movement being some of the best in the division. The one thing the Filipino can be guilty of is sometimes waiting for the perfect shot to present itself, something he cannot afford to do. The story of the matchup will be how well both men take and distribute each other's power. Inoue's speed and boxing could create openings for him to apply pressure, and if he gets his man on the back foot, he is probably the most complete finisher in the sport.
Right hand, left hand, and McDonald sags into the ropes again. The referee has jumped in and waved this off.
though you'd be crazy, even with his track record, to think it's a walk in the park for the Japanese star. After all, we saw him drawn into a firefight in November, one that swung the fight wide open. Should the same take place at the Mandalay Bay, anything could happen.
Counter right hand. Inoue rock to his boots.
With two fantastic punchers, the odds certainly don't favor those ringside hearing the final bell. Though with two men who chose legacy over comfort, the real winners will be the fans.
終わる瞬間、やっぱり最高だったなと思ったし。
And with names like Neri and Ubali lying in wait, we can expect an undisputed bantamweight collision in the not-too-distant future.
I think we can knock him out. Bob Arum, make that fight.
Naoya Inoue looks on course to become a true boxing great and has all the tools and natural ability to do so.
I think as soon as Nui lands, it's game over.
However, John Riel Casimiro has been described as the best boxing champ you've never heard of, something that could certainly change in the coming months.
So lalong umiinit ang usapin sa iba't ibang social media platform, ang inaasam ng karamihan lalong-lalo na ang ating pambato na si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimiro, na matuloy na ang labanan Casimiro vs Naoya Inoue. Ito ay dahil binalita mismo ng Boxing News Online na dahil umano sa unang bahagi ng taon 2027 mangyayari ang blockbuster fight sa pagitan ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Ngunit bago magtapos ang taon kasalukuyan ay baka magkaroon muna ng laban si Naoya Inoue ng title defense fight. Ayon sa Boxing Online, as a result before Naoya Inoue can faces Rodriguez in early 2027, the undisputed champion may target another defense of his super bantamweight undisputed title in either September or October. At present John Riel Casimiro could be under consideration for that bout while fellow Filipino Carl James Martin remains the WBO mandatory challenger. Nagpost na din ang Great Chef Boxing na Naoya Inoue vs John Riel Casimiro. Habang ang manager ni Naoya Inoue ay kinumpirma sa Yahoo Japan na tuloy na ang laban ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Kaya sa ngayon ay muling nabigyan ng pag-asa ang labanan Naoya Inoue vs John Riel Casimiro na matuloy. Ngunit ganun pa man ay kailangan manggaling mismo sa Team Inoue ang confirmation ng balitang ito. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Wins World TV. Saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi. Okay, alright.